Kelsey
and Kendra,
and today we're going to be doing an affordable holiday gift guide for you guys. We've never done one of these before on our channel, so this is our first one, and we have a variety of things to show you guys for different types of people in your family or your friends. So we basically have something for everybody in this video.
Yes.
And it's things that people will actually use and need, and it's not unnecessary gifts that they're going to have lying around the house somewhere.
yes, they're actually going to use them, so you won't be wasting your money.
Yeah.
So I actually thought it would be a good idea to separate this gift guide into categories. So I wanted to separate it based on the type of person that you're shopping for. So throughout this gift guide video, there's going to be like a theme based on the type of person it's for. So let's just hop into it. Y'all will get what I'm saying when we start.
Okay, so the first person is basically a traveler. So this is something that that person would need for traveling. And it is these travel size body washes. This is genius. When I saw this in the body wash aisle at Target, I was like, this is the perfect gift for somebody who travels a lot. So this is a no-brainer depending on if they have a carry-on or not. I feel like I like travel size body washes even if I check my bag, because it just fits in like anywhere in your luggage. So these are the Olay Fresh Outlast ones. Olay is a really good body wash brand. We've used them before.
They have 4 different kinds in here, so they have a variety of scents. So this is perfect for someone who already loves Olay body washes anyway. They're just the mini versions of some of their scents. So they have Cooling White Strawberry, Soothing Orchid, Sparkling Yuzu, Refreshing Star Apple. And these are some scents that I haven't even tried before.
Yeah, me too.
So I'm kind of curious to know what they smell like. They sound like they smell amazing.
I've only tried one of these before, and it is the strawberry one.
Really?
I've tried that one before, and it smells really, really good.
Okay.
Even if someone doesn't use Olay, this is the perfect way to see if they would even like it for themselves, if they want to like buy a big size of one of these small ones.
Yes. That's a great idea.
Yeah, it's like a sampler low-key.
And also, I just realized that all the scents have another scent underneath. So the strawberry and cooling white one has mint in it. The soothing orchid has black currant, which that sounds like something I would be into.
Yeah, it does.
The sparkling yuzu has passion flower, and the refreshing star apple has hibiscus. So this sounds very intriguing. And this was super affordable at Target. Target has a lot of these like on the go, like kind of all in one, like more than one thing in like their little gift packaging products in the store for the holidays. So they don't have like just the regular like body care stuff like individually wrapped.
Yeah.
Not wrapped, but just the individual products. They have stuff like this. Okay, so this is kind of relative to the product that we just showed, but this is for the hygiene obsessed or the girly girl. That friend that's always in the toiletry section every time y'all stop at the drugstore or Target or Walmart, if you can't find her and she's like in the aisle with all like the body wash and stuff. Or just someone who's very much into hygiene, even though everyone should be. But y'all know what I'm talking about. There's those extra friends and those extra friends.
So basically us.
Basically. So these 2 products are wonderful gifts for that person in your life. So this is a 3-pack of Carmex. This is the exact one that I just mentioned in our cheap beauty products that actually work video. There's 3 of them in here. So this was super affordable. I think it was definitely under $5. And then I got this twin pack of this Dove Deep Moisture body wash. This is like the best one in my opinion. They have a ton of scents, but I feel like this is the most universal, and I feel like this one works on a different array of like skin types, because everybody can't use like all those super fancy scents and stuff. This one is like the most basic one that still smells really good. So this is just the Deep Moisture one, which is, you know, the blue cap.
Yeah.
I highly recommend getting these for that person who just
doesn't like buying this kind of stuff.
But they enjoy these kind of products.
Because some people, like, I'm not gonna lie, some people, they'll go to Target for one thing and they always forget. And I feel like body wash is something that some people forget. Not me, because I'm obsessed with body wash.
Yeah, me too.
But for some people it is an afterthought, because some people just like to use bar soap or something like that.
True.
But this is a good gift for someone who wants to start to venture out into using body wash.
Yes.
I know this sounds kind of random, but I feel like getting
these are
gifts,
things that they will use.
Yeah, getting gifts for people they can actually use is way more smart than getting something that they're not even going to use.
They're not going to use. So, and sometimes people don't even realize what they need until you get it for them. But for this person, the hygiene obsessed girl, or, you know, whoever in your life who would love this, y'all know those people in your life. Get this for them.
Okay, so next is the necessity gift. So this is something that they're definitely going to need, especially in the colder months, because I feel like it gets even colder after Christmas.
Definitely.
In most places. So they are beanies. I feel like everybody could use a really cute beanie. They're really inexpensive. They have them everywhere. They come in so many different colors, so you can get their favorite color, or you can get a color that they probably wouldn't wear that they can like venture out with. Like this red one is super cute. I actually don't have a red one. Yeah, these two are super cute for like the person who likes bright colors. Like this mustard is really pretty.
Even if they were neutrals, these actually look really good with all black.
Yes, there's a pop of color. Or you can just do good old gray, which is my personal favorite.
Yeah, I love gray. I actually got these from ASOS, and these two, the folded ones, they came in a pack of, I think 2 or 3. I think they came in a pack of 3. And these were like $10 for 3. ASOS has so many different like basics on their app. I use the app, which is probably not a good idea. But things like these are always going to come in handy, and they're amazing quality. So they're not like those thin beanies. These are actually very like warm, and that's what it's supposed to do, keep your head warm. So I highly recommend the ASOS beanies in particular, because they have so many different colors and they're amazing quality, but they're not amazing quality price. Okay, so the next category is favorite things, and this is my personal favorite because this is where you can have like the most fun for like that person, you know, front to back, back to front. So if you're getting anything for your mom, your best friend, your sister, cousin, anyone that you're really close with, and you know everything about them, this is the perfect gift for them. So I know this is gonna look random, but I have a box of Pops here, cereal, and this Fancy Love perfume by Jessica Simpson, and this is the favorite things category. So these are 2 of our mom's favorite things. So this is a perfume that she really loves. She actually used to use the one I had, and I just decided to get her one, and I hope she's not watching this video.
I know, because she's watching our videos. This is a part of her gift. Yeah.
And
it's not all of it. It's not all of it though.
I said a part of her gift.
Yeah.
So she know what she got.
Because we always get her 2 gifts because her birthday is on Christmas Eve. So this is just half.
This is half of it,
her gift.
So anyway, the concept of the favorite things category is to get them a bunch of things that you know they're obsessed with, that they'll love. Pops are one of her favorite cereal. Cereal in general, my mom is obsessed. She will eat a bowl of cereal for breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
It could be like 10:30 at night.
And she want to eat cereal.
Yeah, she wants cereal.
Comment down below if you're that person who likes cereal at random times of the day. That's my mom. So she loves this perfume. I actually love it too. This is actually one of my favorites, and Kelsey likes this when I wear it too. Fancy Love is bomb.
Very clean and powdery.
Yes, but it still has like a nice warm undertone. So it's sweet, but like a light, clean sweet.
Yeah.
So this is a really nice scent. I actually got this on FragranceNet, so you can't find this everywhere. The very first time I tried it though, I got it at TJ Maxx. So make sure you check out TJ Maxx and Marshalls, or you know, those type of stores, because they definitely have this discounted.
They have a lot of celebrity perfumes.
A lot of perfumes. So check TJ Maxx for sure, because they will have a lot of good perfumes. So whatever your friends or that person that you're close to, their favorite things are, just get like a basket or a box, whatever you want to put it in, make it cute, and put all their favorite things in it. And I promise you, when they open it, they're going to feel so special.
Because it's thoughtful.
Yeah, get their favorite candy, their favorite like snacks, like if it's a random bag of chips, anything. Trust me, they will love it.
Yeah.
So I highly recommend the favorite things.
Okay, so the next 2 things are for the bookworm / reader, aka Kendra, and not Kelsey. So self-help books to me are the best gifts to get people, because sometimes if you get a novel, they might not be into that type of book. Like
unless you heard them talk about it.
Yes, that's different. But if you don't know exactly what kind of like books they like, but you know they like to read, just get them a self-help book, because I feel like nobody can have too much help.
Yeah.
In any category, especially when it comes to like positivity and things like that. And so these 2 books are really good. I've only read one of them. This is The Secret.
Kind of cliche, but I promise it's life-changing.
I don't think it's cliche. Like, this book really changed my way of thinking in the best way possible. So The Secret is an excellent Christmas gift for anybody. This is a book that I really would like to read that Kendra told me that I should read by Joseph Murphy, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. And I really want to read this one. So since I've already read The Secret, I feel like I should read this one next.
Yes, this one I would actually read this again. A lot of my books, I don't really reread them. This book really makes you think about your mind in a different way, in the way you operate. And people forget that their mind is a muscle, and you can definitely control the things that happen in your life. So it's a more like broken down version of The Secret, but it's definitely more
Scientific.
It's more extensive than anything that I've ever read when it comes to positivity and the way the mind works. If you are a psychology major, you will have a fun fest reading this book, because I feel like it's so intriguing, but it's not boring. It doesn't feel like you're reading a book for school, because that's just not my vibe. I would have fell asleep. So trust me, you will enjoy this very much. It's like all busted up, because I had this on hand like every single day, making sure I was reading a couple of chapters a day, and I will be rereading this one. If y'all are wondering what happened to my cover, I don't keep my paperbacks on my hardcovers. I just like how it looks without the cover. So I highly recommend both of these, and Kelsey will be reading this one, so you can keep that. Thank you. And second in this category is my reading light. A reading light is essential for that person who reads at night, someone who's married maybe, who can't, leave the light on when their spouse goes to sleep, but they still want to read their book. This is essential. This is from the brand Renaico. I showed this in my Amazon faves video. If you guys ever check that out, I did talk about it in that. And this is the best reading light that I've ever used, because some reading lights are extremely dull. They need batteries. This one comes with a charger, and I don't always have to charge it.
Genius.
So if you see this little hole here, there's just like a charger, and you just plug it up in the wall, and it doesn't really need a charge. It depends on how much you use it, obviously, how often you would need to charge it. But I don't have to charge it that often, and I use it almost every single night. So I highly recommend a reading light. I got this one off Amazon, and it was like 11, 12 bucks, which I think is pretty affordable, especially for something that's electronic and this great of a product.
Okay, so next is for the organization king or queen, or somebody who needs to become organized. And it is a planner.
Yes.
So if you're somebody who needs to get your life together, you never show up nowhere on time, you forget about appointments, like, you need a planner. It's very essential. I don't care about your phone. Okay, we need to go back to writing things
It's something
down.
about when you write things down,
you remember it more.
Yes.
Because I put stuff in my phone all the time. I have reminders in my phone. I can see it, and 3 minutes later I forgot.
Yeah.
I don't know what it is, but when you write it down for some reason,
you have to remind yourself that you made a reminder sometimes.
That's so true. I don't understand.
And it even pops up on your phone, but you sometimes don't see it. But like when you look at your planner, it's just something about having something tangible that you wrote down and you looked over, you read over it.
Yes.
So I highly recommend this, and this has been a lifesaver for like organizing our videos and planning out, different things that Kelsey and I want to film in the future. So it just makes me feel better. It's like
appointments,
like if you have doctor's appointments, I promise you, like, this
comes
is a
in
lifesaver.
handy. This is a 2019-2020 planner. Got it from Target. Target has a lot of good planners,
good ones, and cute ones.
Yeah, they're not ugly, like with a bunch of flowers or anything on it. So.
Yes. I'm not gonna lie, this is from the brand Kelly Ventura. It was not the cheapest. This is probably like the priciest thing in this video, and everything in this video is pretty affordable, but I highly recommend this one because it's gonna last you for a while. This says it's 2019-2020, so you won't have to buy one for quite a while. And it's really cute in the inside too. So I like planners that I like to, look at. Something that makes you excited to write in it. Because when it looks boring and mundane, you're just like, no thank you.
Okay, so the last one is my personal favorite. It is for the homebody, which we definitely are. I am an unapologetic homebody.
Yes.
I don't care. People like, you always at home. I don't care. Mind your business. So, socks and a throw blanket. It's like genius to get somebody who likes to be at home, likes to be cozy.
Yeah.
Both of these are from Target. These socks are so freaking cute. How cute are these?
Yes.
They are very, very
Kelsey
thick.
also bought a pair, and you already wore them, and she said they were comfortable.
Extremely. These are black, so Kendra likes black, of course. I got a gray pair, and they have like a little rubbery like material at the bottom, so like you don't slip
if you have hardwood
hardwood floors or tile or anything like that. If you walk in the kitchen, you won't slip on the floor. So these are super, super cute. Got them from Target once again. The inside is like super fuzzy.
Like a blanket.
It feels like a really soft blanket. It feels like actually a blanket that I have. Oh my gosh, so soft, right?
It's comfortable.
Right?
So can you just imagine with watching Christmas movies, got all your snacks.
Yes.
You're not moving for a while. Don't
Glass
nobody
of
call
wine.
me. Don't nobody text me.
Glass of wine.
Glass of wine.
Mhm.
Yes.
It's a
mood.
vibe. A vibe, mood, whichever one you into.
Yes. And these were only $10.
Mhm.
$10.
And
And
they're
they're in so many colors too.
Very thick.
Mhm.
These are some thick socks, so you might get kind of hot, but they're very warm.
Yes. And of course you guys know Target has a ton of like bedding and throws and stuff like that.
Throw blankets.
This charcoal gray one is super cute. I feel like it would go with like any of your friends' decor if you have friends who even care about decor. Something comfortable and that goes with their decor would be really cute.
Yeah.
And they would actually use it. Again, we want to get people things that they are going to use because I'm not wasting my money. But their throws are very, very soft. I highly recommend a nice, cozy, soft throw. You can get throws at an extensive amount of places. They got throws everywhere, even Walmart. So
Five Below too.
Five Below.
You can get
yes.
those blankets from Five Below.
Some good ones actually. Okay guys, so that wraps up our first official holiday gift guide. Let us know what you think and if you think we should do one of these every year now, because as much as we love Christmas and are obsessed with the holiday, we never ever did a holiday gift guide. So I thought this was the perfect idea, especially for this time, because some people go Christmas shopping at the last minute and these are the perfect items to get at the last minute.
I feel like we do sometimes.
We do that.
We have a lot of people in our family. I
Yes.
low-key feel like it's way too many people to be buying
And
gifts
then we
for.
still be getting stuff for just the kids.
But
That's
like,
a lot of money.
People don't think about the single people.
When the
like,
kids-
we can't be buying everybody gifts.
Yes. We got bills to pay over here.
Okay? It's a lot.
So kids will only be getting things this year from us. Let us know if y'all do it in your family, because all the grown people can't be getting stuff. I'm here. I'm the gift. Hey. Comment down below if you guys had a favorite category in this video and let us know what you're going to be purchasing your loved ones for Christmas. So I thought that all these affordable goodies are going to be enjoyed by someone that's watching. So we love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you guys in the next one.